So good day, you know, find nobody to help you with your project. Why you not ask your friend O'Shane to do it for you?
So Jamili, why you don't do it for me?
My girl, me a fashion designer, me a model. I want to tell you, ask the boy, you're too shy. Well, if you want to feel this, the project, it's up to you. I don't know why you not just ask the boy. Do you know them girl behind you? One of them they want to ask him, but between me and you, him don't even look upon her. None at all. Mr. Mother shame like dog. Huh? She not no sense. She just enough up herself. Watch her. She can't even sew. Me don't know what she doing here. Me soon feel her.
You know, you can try to be nice for once, Jamili.
I'm tell you, after nicest to bring you now with my girl. I'm tell you, me gonna be the ruler of this planet. Just watch.
What do you do? You want get suspended? You're not supposed to smoke on school property. Put it out, O'Shane.
Surprised you not talk to me. You haven't spoken to me in a week. So, what is it? Why are you there?
Well, I have a project and I need your help with it.
Oh, so I'm not good enough for you to talk to. But now you need my help for your project. Funny.
I had a lot going on, okay? That's why I wasn't talking to you. It's nothing serious. I don't see why you vexed me before. I was just going through something, okay? I had a lot on my mind.
I understand. Why not go ask Denzel for this project with you?
What the hell? What are you talking about? I don't. Me and Denzel, we're not even friends.
Really? You look really comfortable with him at the party though.
What had to do with anything? He just asked me to dance and I said yes.
Alright. Just like, oh, you do that, go ask him for help you with your project.
You know what? Bye.
So, how is university going?
It's going good, but Dad wants me to change my major. But I told him already I'm sticking to what I know best. But I don't want to talk about school anymore, so what's going on with you and Anthony and Oliver? Is he enjoying Jamaica?
I honestly miss him. But him say he want to stay with Diana. You know, so like he want to come back here. Boy, I hope he does change his mind, cause I really miss my baby. Every day I worry about him, but Anthony wants him to stay there for the experience, but...
I'm sorry, Mom, but you always baby Oliver. I mean, he's old enough to decide what he wants, and if he wants to stay there, just let him stay. You can focus on, your other kids.
Well, speaking of other kids, I really wish you and Diana would talk. She's getting married soon, and I would like for you to go to the wedding. Only still haven't patched things up.
Mom, you know Diana doesn't like me. I mean, she hasn't forgiven me for what happened years ago with her ex, so I don't know. I'm not gonna force her to talk to me. But she's not perfect either. I don't know why she doesn't want to... You know what? Forget about it. I don't even really care if she wants to talk to me, to be honest with you.
Things are just getting better. Hopefully one day on the talk, but I should forgive you.
Well, if she wants to hold a grudge for something that happened decades ago, I really don't care, Mom. And I don't have to go to her wedding. It's fine. I don't have to talk to anyone. Like, I'm perfectly fine by myself. That's why I stay in my condo. You know what? Forget about it. I'm gonna go use the bathroom. So, give me a second. Machine, you smoke so good, lad. I never seen nobody smoke like you before. Right, sis? I'm just cute. I'm cute bad. But she have a girlfriend. He must have a girlfriend who call him cute. No, sir. Shane, boy, when who am I love to have your baby them. Love to have your cute brown baby them or Shane. You're a gone far rebel baby, what you? It just kind of like me more. Shane, you like cheap work for you? Mr. think I'm me like. Why would him like you? After you not look good. You don't see me, yeah, twins, and when you look good like that. I'll tell you that, get a man. No, so you can just go out come the day at first. She doesn't enough. They had to me the day at first, so you come follow in here. You just ugly and fever. What did you wanna do in here? Hello, I'm the prefect, and if you don't come out here, may I go to the principal and tell you Antoine will be suspended. Get out now. Boku is ugly man, and every truly girl can look good. She fever. Alright, no looking bitch.
What you do it in here of Sheen? You're looking me like you. I'm another infant to the principal. So how come me can't hear from you from what day? You stop text me, you stop call me. I want me do you so. If you were, we can go lock off. The door now, me you can't look up funny me like the last time.
No man, I'm good. There's some stuff I forgot to deal with. No time for none of that. Sorry. Now you're not think smart. Them girl is we in ya. What if them say something? Feel like if I go back to class to the car, may I stay there so for now.
So when you get so oldly and dignified, so when you get so, me a room girl say yanam, oh color, cup of face girl, attack, a chew, a name, Marsha, that bitch. I share the reason why you stopped talking to me. I share the reason why you don't come have a little fun with me anymore.
Yo, I'm doing no money. Every time man no one deal with no first thought is me I talk to somebody. You love listening to rumors, go and listen to them. Come and not talk to nobody.
If you're not talking to nobody, why me I can't have a little fun? Well, last time I'm gonna clean off your rifle. You know I'm gonna be again.
Well, come and say to you, I'm good. Alright? I'll leave Marsha alone. I know what you talk about her so far. Me and her not have nothing. Me not come here come disrespect her and think say it alright. She one good girl and she never do you nothing. Listen, I changed my mind. Me will help you with the project, alright?
So why have all of a sudden you change your mind?
Well, cause I'm on board and more want help you, cause you're my friend. So what the project about?
Well, it's not really hard. You just have to wear some clothes.
Alright, that's cool.
But the clothes are my house. You can come over if you want and stay for dinner.
Alright, that's so good. Tired fair by KFC anyways. Alright, go leave out now.
Mom, if I have to go back to that school, I'm gonna kill someone. I can't stand it. When are you gonna send me to Jamaica to go to school with Oliver?
Antavia, I am not sending you to Jamaica. Okay? Done.
But it's not fair, Mom. I wanna go to Jamaica and spend time with Diana. I miss her too.
You'll see her when we go down summer for the wedding. I don't see what is your problem, little girl.
I just miss Diana. Please, Mom. I just want to spend time with my sister. Dad said Diana taught Oliver how to cook. You know he couldn't cook for shit when he was here. So if I go and go live with her, I can learn how to cook and you won't have to cook so much. See, Diana can teach me stuff too.
I don't understand you. If you want to learn how to cook, just watch a YouTube channel. Why do you need to go all the way to Jamaica for Diana to teach you how to cook?
First of all, guy, I wasn't even asking you anything. I was asking Mom, why don't you mind your own business? You're rarely here.
Because I have to hear all this unnecessary rambling in my ears. Like, she's not sending you. Get over it.
Mommy, can you please control your white daughter?
Oh, here we go. Oh, now I'm white, huh?
Let's see, you live with your white dad, your white stepmom in your white neighborhood, and you barely come and visit us. So yes, you're white.
What the hell is wrong with the two of you? Why the two of you can't get along? Every time una see in presence with each other, una always have to argue and a fight. This is not necessary.
You know what? I'm not even gonna stay here because I don't have to hear any of this foolishness. So I'm going home. Thanks, Mom. It was nice. Have a nice day.
Antavia, you didn't have to say any of that. We're trying to get her to come around more. But you always arguing with her is not making the situation better.
Mommy, what are you not understanding about her? She doesn't want to come around. That's why she doesn't come here. I don't see what's the point in forcing her to come.
Remember, she grew up with her father, so it's kind of difficult for her to get used to it. But you need to try to be nicer to her. She is your sister.
She doesn't act like it.
I don't see what the tension is between the two of you. You get along with all of your brother and sister them. Why you can't get along with Olivia?
Because, Mom, I feel like she thinks she's better than us.
Antavia, I think you're blowing this out of proportion. She has never done anything for me feel like she thinks she's better than us.
Yeah, because whatever she does, you never call it out. I mean, you don't even treat Diana the way you treat her.
You know what? I'm not having this argument with you. You look a girl.
I still see what's going on. Shane, you finish?
Oh my lord, Marsha, you did a very good job. That outfit is very good. More than I lie, Marsha, this look really good. Uchi now nothing for you at all, man. Then for you. I feel like you're more than gonna pass that class, Marsha. I mean, this actually look like you come out of the store. Honey, what you doing home so early? Honey, this is Marsha's friend, O'Shane. The clothes he have on, she designed it. It's not nice.
So, this is the young man my daughter can't stop talk about. Tell me something, young man. What is your intentions with my daughter?
Daddy, please stop.
Oh, sir, the only intentions I have with your daughter is to be our friend. Nothing disrespectful towards anyone.
Oh, so if that's so, welcome to the family. You are a very smart youth. Marsha, I think you will make a very nice husband for you in the future.
Can you please stop embarrassing me?
O'Shane, you like play dominoes?
Yeah, my grandfather used to play it all the time before he passed away.
Alright, yes, because them two here don't play no dominoes. Come on, God bless her, let's bond.
Mommy, can you please tell Daddy to stop embarrassing me?
Marsha, you know how he is. He always wanted a son, so I guess him find one. You should be happy him like him.
Guess.
I can't believe Jamila really put on that dress.
Right, I told him not to do it, you know. But him not like listen. Him get a good grade though.
That's right, though.
Hopefully me get one too. And have time get it, him just talk.
Correct, him won't run like river water terrace.
I heard the next project's gonna be a pillow or something. Or maybe a teddy bear. I'm not sure Mr. gonna pick. Hopefully something easy.
Oh my god, O'Shane.
I'm gonna look everywhere for you. So, when will I work on your project? Clear my whole schedule for this, you know.
Oh, me have sewing class next. So you can come after lunch. Don't worry, you're not stay long. You're just gonna show the teacher it and then she'll grade me.
Alright, just no say. You owe me big time, you know.
Of course. Mega, make sure, you know, I'll pay you back.
Oh my god, you get O'Shane for mother your clothes. Oh, you so lucky. You the much girl ask him and him said no. My god, Marsha. How about you, so? You know, I'm kinda jealous still, me not lie.
I'm for really jealous, boy. I'm a friend and him, you know, him they owe me a favor anyways. But just really nervous about this. I hope I get a good grade. You know, miss always hard at me because I'm mother a tailor.
You're gonna do good, girl, trust me.
Wait there, yeah, I'll never that out for lunch. Yeah, text him again. My god, the two one was so in love. I'm not text Oliver. Actually I text Lucien. But forget to tell you about him come back while him there at town. Lucien? As in Shana cousin Lucien? I'll you tell. Yeah, him same one. We've been hanging out lately. And it, you know, it's kinda nice to spend time with him. Wait there, so Oliver know you hang out with somebody you used to have a crush on? Susie, I really don't think this is a good idea. Maybe you should kinda, you know, lay low for a little bit. It's kinda odd, Marsha. I mean, nobody not really know me like how him know me, you know what I mean? I don't know, I just like hang out with him. It just feel kinda different. I mean, we're just a hangout. We're not doing nothing serious or anything. We're just friends, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but we're talking about Lucien. You and him used to be so close, even closer than me and you.
I know, that's why it's kind of complicated. But I like his company. Well, Shana, do you have to do?
am not going to lie, I'm very surprised, and a lot of you have done really well. But I've saved the best for last. Masha, please present your project to the class. My goodness, Masha. If I never knew you were such an honest student, I would believe you bought this at the store and put it on this young man. This suit is very excellent, Masha. Very, very excellent. Look on the seam. Look on the stitch. Oh God, Masha. This is perfection, perfection, perfection. I have to grant you with an A, Masha. This is perfect. 100% perfect.
Shino, you look so good. Oh my God, Ocean, you look like a model. You look good. Good.
Ocean, no sir, no payo. No man. Boy, Ocean, no sir, the boy look good. Good.
Tavia, please tell me that you're not still vexed with me. Come on, come out of your bed. I have something more to tell you. So me and your father just come off iPhone and we had a look at talk. So I just won't come in here to tell you. Your father said that it would be a good experience if you go to Jamaica.
Wait, are you serious?
Yes, but you're only going to be staying for a year. Alright? Just a year. Is that good enough for you? Plus, I know you miss your brother. And maybe this will be good for the both of them.
Mom, you can't. Oh my god, I'm going to Jamaica, Mom. You're serious? I'm going to Jamaica. I'm going to Jamaica. I'm going to Jamaica. I'm going to Jamaica.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing.
See, you see me tell you, Oliver, you see me tell you, every time she hang out with him, something always reach her. Me tell you, you see you, I never trust you from morning. I never want you around her. And look now.
Relax. I mean, it's not his fault. You can't yell at him for something he didn't do.
Something when him do, me tell you, I want a little group of them beat her up. Him little group of them what him have. It's ridiculous, man. But tell her to stop hanging out with him.
Masha's trying to rest. What's all this noise about? Susie, relax. Do not yell at O'Shane. He's the one that brought her here. She be thankful. She could have been left on the side of the road. O'Shane! O'Shane!
What the hell a dog there backbone now? O'Shane, why you do you so late?